Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio out of a 74 Pontiac Firebird. Super cool car. This comes from Usilio in Lebanon, New Jersey. Usilio has also sent me his 8-track player. Now, Usilio's requested just a basic FM conversion with no extra bells and whistles. And he's requested that the conversion be wired to his original connectors, which means he won't get that big increase in output power. It'll be roughly equal to the original electronics and pretty much equal to the output of his 8-track, which is pretty much repaired to original stock because he wanted to keep the original connectors on that. So had to just repair that one to original stock. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I've got it set to AM at the moment. Now this on this type of radio, the leftmost button forces the AM mode. If you want to go to FM, you have to hit this button. That's the button that selects FM. So that means you can only preset 4 FM stations because this one forces the AM mode. So I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get. So let's turn her on and we'll demonstrate the functions.
Friends of mine, he owns a weed and pest control, and he was telling me just,
going to activate the left-right balance control.
Have gone up over 400%. So it's not
Whoa,
that he's
that's
raising
not too
his
cool.
prices because,
Might want to be able to see those meters a little bit better, eh?
There
we go.
He had to raise his price because of the cost
A little bit
chemical
of glare from the sun there. There we go.
Over 400,
okay, left-right balance.
He did balance adjust.
Okay,
and it's
so all the way left, all the way right,
for every client.
Left,
I mean, he had to
right.
do it, and it's because of the cost of the chemical.
Okay.
Oh, absolutely.
Balance set. Okay, now since it's just a 2-speaker radio, there's no front rear fader to test, so we don't need to worry about that. Let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Go to FM. Oh, that's the AM. Oh, I forgot my own directive. There we go. Now we're on FM. I forgot to hit the FM button first.
With Dash's fresh ground chuck.
Okay, and that's it. Let's test the dial light, and you can't see it, but I can, and it is lighting up. Yep, it is. So that's it for the radio. Next will be the 8-track. Once again, it's like when it's just a radio, it feels like I left something out because there's so little to test on a radio only unit. So anyway, but that's all it is. The 8-track will be next. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below. And please download and print a work order which has all my options and prices, including options for turn times. So please have that in your hand before calling me with questions, because the work order will answer almost all, if not all, of your questions. And that way, instead of me answering those same questions over the phone and taking my time away from my quality workmanship, I can be on the bench. And then after you've read through the work order, then you're welcome to call me for a nice, pleasant little chat or to answer any question that the work order does not answer. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Usilio, for your business all the way from New Jersey. And we'll see you next time.